In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate trades on interactive brokers using TradingView alerts. Now, let's break this down into clear steps to help you set everything up smoothly. First things first, let's delve into a fundamental understanding. TradingView on its own doesn't execute trades automatically, but don't worry, there's a workaround. By using TradingView alerts in conjunction with third-party automation tools or APIs, you can seamlessly place trades on interactive brokers. This process essentially involves sending alert data from TradingView to an automation service that handles the actual trade execution. Moving forward, you'll want to create your own custom indicator or choose an existing one on TradingView. This indicator will be at the core of your automation strategy, signaling when a trade should take place. Once your indicator is set, establish alerts based on those signals. For instance, if your indicator crosses a certain threshold, an alert can be triggered. An important detail here is using webhook URLs within the alert settings. These URLs serve as the channel through which alert data is forwarded to your chosen automation service, enabling seamless communication and trade execution. Now that you have your indicators and alerts ready, it's time to choose an automation platform. There are several options available depending on your preference and technical expertise. You could use a browser extension like AutoView, trading bots integrated with the Interactive Brokers API, or even write custom scripts leveraging Interactive Brokers' own API capabilities via their Trader Workstation or TWS API. Each option has its pros and cons, so consider what best fits your trading goals and technical know-how. With your platform selected, the next critical task is to set up the Interactive Brokers API. This involves enabling the API access within your Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation or IB Gateway, which are interfaces that facilitate trading operations. You'll also need to secure API credentials and make the necessary configuration to establish a stable connection. This setup is vital for bridging the gap between alerts and executing trades in your Interactive Brokers account. The penultimate stage involves connecting your alerts to the automation tool of your choice. Here, you'll configure the tool to actively listen for those TradingView webhook alerts. Mapping these alert signals to specific trading commands such as buy, sell, or set a stop loss is essential. This ensures that each alert is accurately translated into an actionable trading instruction. Finally, perhaps the most crucial step is testing your setup. Before going live, it's wise to employ paper trading or demo accounts to validate that everything works as expected. This trial run helps you verify that alerts are translated into trades correctly, catching any potential errors or hiccups in your automation process before real money is involved. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to automating trades from TradingView alerts on interactive brokers. By following these instructions and investing time in testing, you'll be well on your way to streamlined and automated trading success.